how to unban Fortnite gaming account from your iPhone or Android. When you violate the community rules, Fortnite usually ban users' accounts. To unban your account, follow only this process. To appeal for your account, open a browser on your iPhone. On Android, type Fortnite support. Tap Fortnite support. Scroll down, tap Contact Us. Now you need to submit a request very carefully. First, enter your username. Enter your connected email. Select your current device. Add the description. Here you need to add your problem. You can type here, "Hey there, Fortnite support team, my account gets banned from Fortnite. If you think I violated any rules, please forgive me. I'll never do anything wrong. Thanks." Now add a screenshot of your problem. Now the first tab is Submit an email request. Once you have done this, now you can also choose Start a live chat. In a live chat, you can also tell them about your problem. If you submit the email, they will email you back and they will unban your account. Now, still, if you have any problem, please tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.